Previously.
This is not a challenge. This is just what I want to see because you got to stand on your words. You said if you don't have waves, you don't know what a waiver wants. I'm the person without waves that's standing outside of your house. Come holler at me.
Yeah, hello?
911?
Yeah, there was somebody standing outside of my house.
Just standing outside?
Yeah, they're just...
What are they doing?
I don't know what they're doing. No, they're just standing there outside of my house.
Dispatch 360, we got a situation over here at... All units stand by. It seems that we have somebody standing outside of a residential area.
It's been 45 minutes. You guys aren't here yet? What are you guys waiting on? There's a guy standing outside. My kids are frantic.
Dad! There's somebody standing outside. Dad!
Hold on.
Dad, come here. There's somebody outside. Look.
For crying out loud, they're just standing outside. He's still out there. What do you want me to do?
Sir, let me speak to your daughter.
You want to talk to my daughter?
Hello, 911. Who am I speaking with?
Tatiana.
Ma'am, can you describe the person that's standing outside of your house?
He has dreads. He's wearing all black. He has some red and black Jordans. And he's wearing black jeans.
Ma'am, are you in any harm or danger?
I mean, he's just standing outside.
See, what Get Beam don't realize is I had a whole wave team fly out to get a haircut, a bunch of waivers. When has Beam ever done that? All right, you guys, today we are going to work. I got to cut a bunch of waivers, man. They WDBTDD. Finally, you know what I mean? Finally.
I'm good with it.
All right, man. Hey, listen, check it out, alright? I got a dope waiver flying out from Florida to do this. It's not a challenge, but Beam want to see what I could do. So I'm about to show him what I could do. I'm probably going to give him a high taper. Now, this is something that I've been wanting to do, right? I've been wanting to cut this person's hair. Matter of fact, I was on Facebook. It wasn't too long ago that I was asking him, like, hey, he was on live and he was cutting his hair. And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Stop cutting your hair. You know what I mean? I left a comment and I was like, hey, stop cutting your hair, man. Let me fly you out. And I jumped off his live and I never could get in contact with dude. I mean, it just never, it ended up never just happening, okay? So this right here gave me the boost to actually fly him out, okay? I gotta go pick him up from the airport. I gotta go give him a hotel and I gotta take him back to the airport and I gotta feed this dude. All right, I'm doing the whole 9. This isn't the last time I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be doing this over the years, just trying to add something different to the content. You know what I mean? So thank you, Get Beamed, for doing this because you just added more content to what I'm already doing. Here's the flight ticket if you don't believe me. I know some of y'all out there hating. I know some of y'all out there, bro, you didn't fly nobody up. They booked their own ticket. Nah, man. I had my wife book the ticket for me, get the ticket, and all that. So, it's on. Right now, I'm about to go cut my hair, okay? I can't be out here. He can't be out here and I'm looking whooped, all right? He can't be out here and I'm just looking toe up. So, I gotta go in here and I'm about to cut my hair and give me a fresh one. Alright, you guys, I'm looking a little rough right now. Like I said, I'm looking a little rough, so I can't be out here meeting this guy and be all rough looking. So I'm about to show y'all how I cut myself, okay? I'm gonna show y'all how I do the lining and all that stuff myself. Let's go. So I'm done cutting my hair. I'm about to go home. It's too much. I need to take a nap. I've been doing way too much today. All right, you guys, today I'm on my way to work. I gotta cut hair before I pick him up from the airport. I'm picking up Antonio Reese. A lot of you guys may not know who he is on the Facebook pages. A lot of people know who this guy is on the Facebook pages. And we're about to show the world his waves, okay? His waves is killing, I'm telling you. So I'm about to go to work. I still gotta cut some hair. And yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. Oh yeah, today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So we do go in and pray, okay? We do pray for the shop. My uncle leads the prayer and all that stuff. So I'm coming in here early so we could do what it do and throw one up in the air for God. Let's go. All right, you guys, we got Donovan in the building. This is his first time getting cut by me. Before we go and pick up Antonio, I'm about to change his life. Life will never be the same, okay? At least the haircut. At least the haircut will never be the same. All right, you guys, I gotta go pick him up. It's 12:30. He probably landed at 12:21, but yeah, let's get to the car. I'm on my way to go pick up Antonio. On my way right now. I'm probably gonna have this GoPro going right now. I'm not gonna tell him that's recording, even though it really is blinking red right now. So he might know that I'm recording this whole thing, but if he just so happens to not see it and not notice it at all, I'm not gonna tell him that I'm recording. All right, I want this to be as natural as possible. If we talk about anything, you know, personal, I just won't add it in. I just won't add it in. I promise I won't add it in. All right, you guys, I'm about to pick him up right now. Any minute now I'll be at United, and yeah, let's capture his reaction. Let's see what he's let's see if he's excited or not. Let's see. Let me call him real quick.
Yeah.
Yo, you outside?
Yeah, I'm outside right now. I'm by the door.
Alright. I'm outside.
I got a yellow do-rag on. I don't know what car you in.
I'm in a gray Dodge. I don't even know if this is baggage claim. I'm tripping. Hold on. Let me drive the baggage claim real quick.
It's I see. You see the baggage claim signs, right?
Yeah, I see the baggage claim signs.
About the walk. My guy, Jeezy.
What's good? What's
good? What's good?
You already know what needs to be happening right now. You know what needs to be happening.
As soon as I touch down. Yes. What's good, bro? What's good? It's crazy. Every time I see you calling me, I'm like, yo, this don't make sense, bro. This just don't make sense. Nah, it's just crazy, bro. I didn't expect this at all. And then for it to follow through all the way, it's crazy, bro.
Hey, appreciate you coming down, man.